Hi everybody, it's Shana Berkeley, your neighborhood stylist, your stylist next door, and I am here to teach you to rock the trends in your real world, and today is all about bomber jackets. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're talking about bomber jackets. So before we do that, I want to make sure you click to join the clique, okay? And subscribe to join my tribe. And if we're real friends, turn on your notifications because you want to see every Friday when I post these fashion videos. And also follow me on Instagram at TheFashionChase and at Shana Berkeley. Now, let's talk about my outfit. Now you guys know I like a little bit of an urban flair as well as gold. So I wanted to see how I can incorporate these two things into one outfit, and I think I succeeded. So I started with these thrifted army fatigue pants. If you follow my YouTube, then you saw my haul about how I got all these great things from the Goodwill. I also got these green lace-up shoes from Burlington Coat Factory. I got this green tee that I actually cropped because y'all know I love a good crop, honey, and it says, "Congratulations, you played yourself." I wanted to add a different kind of mix, so I got this 3-tier gold belt. Again, it's thrifted, and added these little bangles just from the beauty supply store. I took these same lenses from my denim video and I popped out the lenses, and I wanted to kind of give it an urban flair. Now, this jacket is from a local Nashville company called Appeal Design, and it says Legendary on the back. That's cute, right? So I liked how I used this bomber to make it really kind of funky and casual and very unique. And that's the thing about your outfit. You want to wear it so nobody else will have on your fit wherever you go. Now, let's talk to my models. Okay guys, so this is my first model of Shanti, and she is showing us how to wear your bomber very casually. So if this is a little bit too much, but you still like the idea of a great bomber, try a bomber like this. This is a very Versace-esque inspired bomber. We got it a little bit oversized because we wanted it to look comfortable. All we did was just pull out some of the colors in this bomber to really make a unique outfit. So we did the red tank, we did the black pants, and then some red pumps. So even though it's an easy outfit, it still looks put together, and she put a little effort into the look today. Alright guys, as you know, on my YouTube channel, we have started a segment called Ask Shana, where people DM me and message me and ask me questions. So one of the questions was, what is my most favorite blazer in my closet? And I will have to say this little peach number. I love this jacket because it's thrifted, and it also gives me a little Balmain vibes. Do you agree? So I love this jacket. I just wear it with jeans and some gold pumps because, you know, I'm extra. Alright, my favorite jacket in the collection. But let's talk about my other model, Avena. So I want us to do a pop of color bomber, and what's more colorful than a gold metallic bomber? So we did a gold metallic bomber and wanted to keep everything else very streamlined. On the inside, we have this Tupac tee. I got this from Forever 21, but you can find stuff like this online. It'll even be cute, like a Wakanda Forever type of tee, don't you think? That'll be real cute. We did a choker, these high-waist leather pants with just a little half tuck, just effortless kind of fly look. And then these Michael Kors flats. Now they're like booties. They do have a little design on the back, a little cow print, but we like them because they add a little pizzazz to the outfit that also has this black and white in the neckline and in the arms. So it all coordinates and it goes together. So I love this look. Get you guys a gold bomber. You'll thank me later. Alright guys, my last model, Lydia, is showing us how to wear bomber jackets in a most sultry kind of way. So these ruffles are a big spring trend in 2018, and you guys know I love a good screen tee. So I wanted to marry those things with this cute shirt that says "My Black is Beautiful." Hello, okay. And then this really ornate bomber jacket. It's almost like a baseball jacket. So if you have a Letterman's jacket, then this would be a really cool way to incorporate that in your current wardrobe. Because sometimes if you're not going to a sporting event, you're like, why do I even have this? So your jackets, like bomber jackets or baseball jackets, can also be very dressy and trendy. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this episode of The Fashion Chase. And always at the end of my videos, I want to give you guys additional ideas, right? So this green jacket is the kind of bomber that you would normally see in the men's department, or just this green color is the most notable bomber jackets that are out lately. So you can even add this jacket to jeans and a t-shirt, or the extra long bomber jackets. Also really make any outfit just super cute and super hip. So I want you guys to try adding bombers into your life, even if it's a little gradual ads, okay? Again, I am Shana Berkeley, your neighborhood stylist, your stylist next door, and I am here to teach you how to rock the trends in your real world. Now before I go, make sure you subscribe to join the tribe and click to join my clique, because my clique is fabulous, okay honey? And remember to slay all day.